Hello there, welcome back to Classic TCG, home to Pokemon and One Piece. Like, comment, subscribe for more of my content. Let's vibe. Alright, so today we're going to be getting into opening 7 Two Legends One Piece packs, all sleeved. Let's get into it, and I hope you guys enjoy. Before I do that, I'm going to show you guys some of the hits that I got from a treasure booster set box. Got this Pika out of here. Got this Trafalgar Law. I think I just opened a treasure booster set box with this with my wife off camera about 2 nights ago. What was that? Was that Thursday or Friday? Yeah, it was Friday. So 2 nights ago, got this special art Kaku right here. Very cool looking card as well. Got this one from a box that we opened, I think it was like Monday or Tuesday. Chidatsu. Pretty cool one there. Got that one from Hot Topic. Got the one that we opened on Friday from Target, I think so. Yeah. And this is from 4 Emperors, Japanese. Didn't get nothing too crazy out of there, but I will show you guys what I got before we get the English set. It's a rare. I'm not gonna know a lot of these off top of my head because it's in Japanese, but I know this is Mr. 3 from Bow Rock Works. Got this guy who I think is with Blackbeard. Got this event card, very cool. I love this one in the anime actually. Got a little Nico Robin there and the Giant. Got a Blackbeard event card. My wife pulled this one, very cool koala actually. Revolutionary Army, super rare. And we got this Japanese right here of God, what is his name? I cannot think of it right now. Shanks. Yeah, Shanks. Very cool Dawn card right there. Alright. Open some Japanese. I actually got the Japanese like the day after that we me and my wife opened about 4 of these 2 legend sleeves. We got that in the mail finally because it was late. So we opened that just to see what we can get out of there. Got that one, this one, that one. Very cool ace card right here. Thank you for loving me. Got the Doctor, that Chopper that brought in Chopper from Drum Kingdom. And our only hit out of like 6 was this Edward Newgate, but very cool, super rare SR right there. Let's see, what do we got? What was our last? This was the hits from the English ones. Page 1, got Viper. Well, not all hits, but this was I sleeved up the holos. Dalton, another Wanda. Who's Who? Let's see, we got the super rare Jack. That's pretty good actually. Got the English Edward Newgate. I love Whitebeard, so that's cool. Got the awesome Dawn card to go with it. My beloved son had better be all right. I love that episode when he was fighting. They were fighting to get Ace Pack from the Navy. And I also pulled that was all from the English set of 2 legends. I also pulled the secret super rare of Carrot actually. I just sold it the other day, trying to beat the market. But that's everything that I pulled that we've been up to lately, is and from Japanese to English. Without further ado, let's get into 2 legends One Piece sleeved boosters. Got these 2 today from GameStop. I bought these 5 from Walmart on I think it was Thursday. And I've been holding these, waiting to make the video for you guys. So let's get into these Walmart ones. Wish me luck, guys. Let's get it. Hope you guys have done well with this set if you got a chance to open it. I'm hoping to get I'm hoping to get the Nami, the Luffy treasure rare, and just see what else we can get. You know, there's a lot of cool stuff in here. We actually got a booster box of this coming in on Wednesday, so just want to see what I can get out of this with you guys before we get that in the mail. Let's get it. First one. All right. Pull that up for you guys. Moby Dick stage card, very cool. Right, Mayaga, Chess, Charlotte Smoothie, looking delicious. Got X Drake, Candy Maiden, got Duval, Robson, Iron Body Fang Slash, that look crazy. Guess that's another stage card. Cool. Zoa Animal, anything. Super rare. SS Snake. Very cool. I like that. Alright. That's our holo. That up. Just gonna grab some right here. Very cool looking card there. Nice little super rare started off. All right. Okay. Pack 2. Let's get it. Carrot card is the best one that I've pulled so far from this set. It's a pretty cool card. Definitely was very shocked to see a super rare that early for our booster box. Really, really hoping I can get that Luffy. That's definitely one I would love. Got S Bear. That's a new one for me. Tristan. 20 Doctors. Buckin. Calgara. I don't know if I have him yet. Sweet Pea. Amazon. Charlotte Smoothie. Milky. Got the Hiking Bear. Leader card of Charlotte Pudding. Got Mount Blank Nolan. There's Dr. Korea. And that is it. Okay. There's there. There's a leader card. Alright. Pack 3. Non-holo leaders actually normally lead to nothing. But, you know, we're not done yet. Pack 3. Let's see what we can get in here. 20 Doctors. Mount Blank Cricket. Jamaica. Another Drum Kingdom. Very cool. Actually, it'll be cool because I'm actually looking forward to potentially playing a chopper deck out of this set. So that'll be very cool. To try that out. Nitro. People's dreams don't ever end. Blackbeard before he lost his damn mind. Charlotte Linlin. Getting the candy on. Another non-holo leader. Calgara. Charlotte Pudding, rare, that's cool. And we got Holo King. Alright. Let's see. What do we got left? We got 2 more of the Walmart ones. GameStop. Go for this one right here. And then I'm gonna switch it up and go over here. Go back and forth until we get to the last few. Let's hope that we can get more than just one super rare. Hope you guys are enjoying. Smash that like button and subscribe if you haven't yet. I plan to do a very, very cool video. Probably either a lot of sleeves or a booster box opening when I hit 100 subs, so look out for that. Got Biscuit Warrior, Viscount, Shishulian, Alphalandra, Charlotte Smoothie, X Drake, Candy Maiden. Come on, let's give me something good. Big Giant Snow Bunny. Tumbles, Clover Rose. That's pretty crazy looking. Obviously, that looks like one of Chopper's moves. Mount Blank Nolan again. And that is it. All right. Running a little dry here. Walmart. Going on the first GameStop one. Right. Let's see if we can get something a little better. I was hoping we'd run into another secret rare. Let's see if we can get it from GameStop. So there's something odd back there. I just don't know what that is. Charlotte Angel. Shashilin. Shuru, X Drake, Namuli, Calgara. It's a pretty cool event card. Burn Bazooka, Charlotte Katakuri, Garchu. Very cool looking Jinbei. Like that. Jozu. What we got back here? Charlotte, we got Charlotte Linlin card. It's pretty cool. Super rare, but it's probably got a little bit of value. First pull I've ever got of her. All right. Sleeve that up. Go on Walmart. One last one sleeve from here. Right. Okay. Drum Kingdom. Got Hamlet. Speed Jill. Usharu. We would never sell a comrade to an enemy. Word up. Rodney. Roddy. Charlotte Smoothie, Melky, Albert. Pretty cool. Oh, damn. Non-Holo King. Probably just saw event card back there. I thought I saw something cool. Yeah. Wasn't wrong there. Jozu, Hollow. And that is it. All right. I guess I got the major hit I was going to get from Walmart. And the other four that we opened. All right, let's see if GameStop could step it up another level for us again. Last pack, guys. Let's see what we get. All right, 2 legends. Let's get it. Try to hide this one a little better. Right, got Speed Jill, Shuru, Charlotte Cracker, Yagi, event card. Finally got this one. That was when he was that doctor was trying to prove to Chopper that he could take him in. I never showed you. I think that was funny. Got Roddy, Charlotte Oven, Charlotte Custard. Got a lot of Big Mom Pirates in here. Got another event, or leader, sorry. Parrot. Got the English version of Thank You for Loving Me. Ace to Luffy. And an S-Hawk. That is it. Alright. Fortunately, nothing too crazy in there. But still cool regardless to get 2 new cards from the set. This SS Snake card right here, as well as this very cool Charlotte Lin from the Big Mom Pirates. The Big Mom Pirate. Maybe next time we open this, we'll get another secret rare on camera, you know? Never know. I'm sure I'll definitely be doing some more of this on camera for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Those are the super rares that we pulled. Here's the reverse holos that we got. Very cool Charlotte Pudding right there. Very interesting event card. There's our 3 leaders. And that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed. And I look forward to doing potentially another 2 Legends opening on here. Hopefully if I can get my hands on the double set box and some more sleeves for you guys. But until then, I hope you guys enjoyed. And until next time, until we drop the next classic, one peace and much love to you. Have a good one.